There we go. Hi guys, how you doing? Good morning everybody. Let me just load the music a little bit. There we go. I think it's fine now. I'm a little bit unsure, but you know, we're gonna check it out. Hope everyone is doing well. Good morning. It's nice and sunny here in Norway. I hope it's nice and sunny wherever you are as well, because it is nice when it's nice and sunny. Bitcoin is doing well. You know, we should actually probably do Bitcoin daily, but you know, I'm more in the mood to revenge trade yesterday's trade. We're gonna check that out. Yesterday we lost $1 instead of making like 60 plus. I think we could have made like, you know, 60, 70, $80 yesterday on a trade if we did not do it. Like this is worse than, you know, getting stop loss hit. The thing that we did yesterday on this trade, Solana trade, is worse than anything else I've done. I mean, I'm still thinking about it. That's how bad it is. Anyways, it's day 10 today. It's 21st of 6th, and we got a full moon. If we get a full moon, I'm very much bullish, so we're gonna look for longing something. So there is that. Before we start, of course, disclaimer, YouTube channel. Whatever you see here in this video, opinions only, not financial advice. You do your money, I'll do my money. You do you, I'll do me. You know how this works. You try to copy trade me, you lose all your money. Your fault, not mine. You know, there is that. Morning, Muzamil. How you doing, man? Sup, Market M? Good morning, photographic. How you doing? Yesterday, bag 25 on sold. Thanks, bro. Are you welcome? But I cannot feel good for you because I lost I lost money. I lost $1. Full moon today. Yeah, it's full moon today over here. We still don't have it on the chart just yet. I think it's gonna come tonight or tomorrow, but it is getting very, very close. So we are looking for a new trade today. We are looking for moves today over here, and I think that I like these dodges over here, but dodges are not playing out as they should be playing out over here. So we're gonna check it out whether this is bearish or bullish. You can see up here on the weekly time frame, it is holding the 10 moving average over here. So now we are not doing the Bitcoin daily, but we can look at a little bit of what's happening in Bitcoin altcoins and all of that shebang. Right now the weekly time frame is hitting this 10 moving average up here almost on, or still 2 days left. Major support levels are 61.4. There are a couple of more support levels over here. This is the one over here on the bottom, and but these are weak support levels. But right now we can see that we are hitting those support levels as well. So we are hitting some major support levels over here on the charts. Let's go a little bit higher time frames over here. You can see also we are coming to these tops over here right now, retesting, and this is a 3-day time frame. Regardless, we are just consolidating over here, still in this bigger trend over here that's been going on for a while right now. Can it go a little bit more down? Can it go all the way down to the bottom? I mean, technically it can, but I'm getting increasingly bullish day by day. Bitcoin dominance got rejected over here again 1, 2, 3 times up here. This on the weekly time frame, so there is that. But you can see up here it went up here, did this move towards upside. Right now it's curving towards downside. It looks like it's gonna dump, guys. It looks like it's gonna dump. If this for whatever reason go up here towards upside, it might just hit the blue box eventually. But regardless, I still believe this over here, this pattern up here, it starts climbing up here towards upside, climbing towards upside, does this big fast wick, then comes over here top, starts curving, pulls back, then goes up here with this wick to kick out all of the short positions, and then curves towards downside below the support level and dumps down, then below this level and towards downside. I still believe that very strongly that this dominance move is towards downside. Now when it comes to dominance, there are no shorts or longs or anything like that. This is just the chart based on the other charts. But it does still look like this is gonna dump down. I mean, the patterns still play out the same way, regardless of whether that's how many babies are being born, or how many people are playing Nintendo or whatever, right? Over time. So something that happens over time that has some kind of human input will always have these kind of charts and patterns. Ethereum up here still zigzagging up here at the bottom side. Let's see, do we have a nice chart on Ethereum over here? There's too many lines up here. Let's just remove it up here. It looks like it's creating this double bottom over here. Still haven't broken that towards the upside up here. Still consolidating up here. Hit this 20 moving average 1 time, 2 times. It's still trying to do this move towards the upside. Still haven't done that. It's getting very, very close. Let's still look at a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame are hit the 10, 20 moving average right now, bouncing a little bit. Still consolidating over here above these moving averages. This move over here is actually very nice when you look at just the moving averages, because right now you can just start expanding over here towards upside. I think we are getting very close. I mean, I'm saying we're very close every single day, but it is the truth. I think we are getting very, very close. Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart also looks very, very much bullish. Let me just lower the music a little bit. I think it's a little bit high. There we go. It looks very, very much bouncing again on the moving averages up here. Still not outside of this channel towards outside. I think right now this channel is pretty much confirmed that once it actually breaks up, it's gonna go. It looks good. Hello, bro. 65.8, then drop, in my opinion. I think we're gonna drop off the 65.8, bounce to 65.8, then drop. Where is 65.8? 65.8 all the way up there. You think we're gonna do that? I don't know. We gotta check that out. But there is definitely bullish sentiment on the chart. Let's go to daily time frame and look over here on a little bit on the moving averages up here. Right now, Bitcoin is at 38 on the RSI, which you're gonna see over here, which is actually very, very bullish. So what you see over here in the chart, right from over here, you can see these bottoms, but you'll see that the momentum is not, I mean, the price is going down, but momentum is not going down. you know, momentum is not increasing, it's actually decreasing. So we have a decrease in momentum while we are going towards downside over here, which actually makes me very, very bullish. Also, these dojis up here are making me very, very bullish. Let's see how this looks on the 2-day time frame up here. There is some kind of hammer, but no doji yet. I think there is a very good chance for a bounce today, so there is that. So we're gonna check that out. So that's a little bit on what's happening Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything else right now. I think altcoins are already down by a whole bunch, but it does look nice for a bounce though. It does look very, very nice for a bounce over here. And we'll also see that these moves up here has been bleeding towards downside right now. Over here coming to the support level. I mean, it does look nice for a bounce. Yesterday again, like we said, we had a sold position up here. We lost $0.2, but you know, it put us, you know, technically not even a dollar. It put us, you know, it put us below 307, so we are 306. You can see over here. So we can try, but we traded Solana, and this is a 1-minute chart. Let's go to 5-minute chart over here. And you'll see the madness that happened. So we bought over here, we sold over here at the bottom, and as this at the same moment as we sold, it went, you know, something like 2, 3, 4% up here. We sold exactly over here. So after we sold, it went up 3.2% towards upside. And you'll see up here after we, you know, we bought right over here. So we could have had 3.3%, you know, gain if we did not sell. 3.3%, guys. 3.3%. That's like 33%. That's like, you know, 1/3 of our account. We could have been above $400, guys. We could have been above $400 if we had not closed the you know, trade. And this is the worst trade. So let's talk a little bit about what's happened yesterday. USDTB. I always say when you have a trade, it's always good to go back and look what's happened and not happened. You gotta talk about it. The best athletes in the world, the most professional athletes in the world, at the very first thing they do after a match, they gather around and they talk about the match. Then they talk about the match, you know, tomorrow as well. They try to remember, try to figure out, because you know, your mind is still there. You can process. Yeah, I mean, you cannot process it, you know, 2 weeks later. But right after the match, you remember what you did, didn't do. Then you think a little bit about it. That is the goal, to increase, you know, getting better, thinking about your trades, thinking about your trades. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna see up here where we made, you know, huge mistakes over here, as you see over here. Let's go to 1-minute chart because we were trading this 1-minute chart. Let's remove the moving averages as well a little bit over here, and right over here. So this is the chart, guys. This is the chart yesterday. So we entered a position right over here on these. I think it's 5-minute chart over here. Let's go to 5-minute chart. Yeah, let's 5-minute chart is better for this over here right now. So we entered the position on the green line up here, long entry, green line right over here. It went a little bit against us, came right back up. We were up. Our profit target was, you know, just shy of 0.09. Thinking back, you know, we should have taken profits about over here and over here as well. It didn't do 10%, but it started going towards downside. Now the problem was when it started going towards downside over here, I thought there was a good chance for a weakening towards downside. We did not get weak towards downside. We came over here all the way down. We didn't hit our long entry because we had a stop loss at the long entry. But I was thinking, you know, it is very high probability that it can wick down and get us out. And I was like, you know what, let's save on the fees and not lose money on the trade. You know, that's what I was thinking. I was like let's not do that. And then what happens? It stops over here, and right as we close the trade, it pumps, you know, the majestic pump towards upside, exploding towards upside, guys, exploding. And I cannot stop thinking about this because this is terrible trade, guys. This is terrible trade. The worst part is that I did not let it go to my stop loss. That's the worst part. Saying, you know, if I just like, it was okay losing the fees, but every single time, if you remember the trade over here. Not this one. If you remember the trade on which one? Where was it? On Ethereum short. You know, every time I don't follow the plan, we lose money or something bad happens, right? So Ethereum Classic, we lost $14 because we moved the stop loss. It's gonna weaken out. We're gonna move a little bit up because it's gonna go down. And what happens? It goes up a lot more, and we lose $14, right? Over here, the same thing happened. You know, we're gonna move our stop loss because, you know, we can save a little money. We can save a little money. You know, $5. We can save $5. You know, just a little money. What happens? We lose like $100 because it pumps, right? So that's the thing. So the problem, you know, from now on, once we put stop loss sticks there, and we take the loss, whatever the loss we decide on, we don't move it a little bit or anything like that. I mean, we technically can move it a little bit, but we can move it and lose a little bit more, but it's okay, it's calculated loss. But I think, but overall overall the direction was nice. The problem was this first move, pull back over here, and this third move up here was actually, you know, still bullish up here. It could have actually dropped down over here, but I think we should wait 1, 2, and maybe 3 touches or something like that, because you can see up here, this oftentimes happens. You go up here and you will break some kind of structure, some kind of support, and once you actually break that, because we broke that this line over here, I'm thinking there was a good chance for dumping a little bit more before going towards upside. That's why we took profits, but we broke that, consolidated, broke that, and exploded towards upside. Very much mad. We're also looking at the same time on Bitcoin over here. I don't know where the Bitcoin was over here on the chart, but yesterday, this is where was it? So we started trading at 10:04, close at 12:20. $10:30, 12:20. Let's see over here. Right over here, 12:20 close, 10 open. It was this part over here. Let's go to small time frames. I think we are watching this on the small time frames. Right over here, there was a channel over here, if I remember correctly. This is what we were watching, right down here. Yeah, this is what we were watching. Let's go to 5-minute time frame over here. Yeah, this is what we are watching, and we are watching this on a small time frames as well, on 5-minute time frame up here. Watching this move up here. We're expecting, you know, moments of pumps over here, but it did go down a little bit, then broke up, consolidated, and went towards upside. But we are watching this channel to break towards upside. But the entire part up here, when we are watching it, you know, it just didn't break up over here, right? So that's what we are watching as well, towards upside. It did this another move towards outside. When it did this move over here, I was like, you know, there is a good chance it does this over here as well, and Solana might dump a little bit more. Unfortunately, that's life, guys, but you know, there is that. So for this this time around, we want to do those kind of mistakes. Hopefully you find something nice today. Hopefully you find something nice today, and you know, we don't do the same kind of mistakes. So we're gonna start. When is the 4-hourly close? Do we have a 4-hourly close right now? No, 1 hour to 4-hour close. So we are actually on very good position right now. We got a 1 hour. We got a 1 hour to 4 hours. My OBS studio suddenly, you know, starts reconnecting. I don't know. And we can look for some kind of maybe pullback over here. Now this actually closed already. This candle, I thought this was a new candle. No, this is the new candle. Now, okay, so this changed a little bit things, but maybe there might be a little bit more pullback over here. You can see up here, starting without no lower wick up here. I think there might be a little bit more pullback. On this pullback, we might actually start longing stuff. So I think that's the game for today. We're gonna look for a pullback on some coins. I think we're gonna look for a pullback on the 4-hourly. Try to find something that looks nice. Try to find something that looks nice. And CFX actually, wow, CFX is still on the bottom. I was actually looking at CFX all the way back here when it did this double bottom over here, and it cannot. It is on the support level over here. So CFX might be in play, because over here when it had this double bottom, I thought this is gonna go up, but it did the same kind of pattern over here. Two same kind of patterns. Still pullback right now, still on these bottoms over here, so we can look for some kind of pullback over here and then towards upside or something like that. We're gonna check it out a little bit on small time frames over here. how this actually plays out. Maybe even bigger time frames and see, you know, what we can actually get. But maybe it's gonna be TFX, maybe something else. You know, there are hundreds of coins, guys, hundreds of coins. Absolutely no chart looks as good as XDC right now. Year-long hull flag. Yeah, but you know, what am I gonna do with year-long hull flag when we are trading? You know, when we are scalping. In this game, if you're not prepared to lose, we're not prepared to win. I gotta tell you, I'm not prepared. I'm just prepared to win, man. My mentality is like win, win, win. +1 call crypt is in chain. Mark Harris. ZK USDT. Is this zero stuff? What was it? DT. It has to be on Bybit. You know, it has spot on Bybit. There is it. It's on Bybit. What happened, man? What happened here, man? This is 4-hourly time frame. 80% down. I don't know. Maybe they did some kind of. I don't know what happened over here, man. It's 80% down. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. It might go up like, you know, whatever. For some reason, it just, you know, goes up right back up there, you know, 5x. But you know, I don't know what's happening. When I don't know what's happening with this stuff, then you know, this doesn't seem normal, right? ZKUSDT. I don't know. ZKUSDT. Why it's only on Binance is 0.18. On Gate.io, it's only also down 0.8, but it's not 0.18 up here. It went from 113 to on Monday, June 17. ZKUSDT on Binance. Okay, so Binance listing made, you know, 17. So something happened on Binance listing, and right now it's going down. I don't know what happened, man. I don't know what happened over here. Yeah, it got listed at the same time on a day after it got listed on some other exchange. I don't know what's happening with these things, man. But I think maybe TFX might be the play for the day. I don't know. TFX USDT Bybit. I think it says Bybit as well. That is perpetual contract. Might close that gap. I don't think so. I don't think so, man. This is not stock market, so it does not have to do that. Regardless, we're gonna take 5 minutes break. I gotta make me new coffee. Because the coffee that I made was, you know, 3 hours ago. So we need new coffee. XRP legend. Good morning, finally caught a stream. Morning, Edward. How you doing, guys? Just lower the music a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so now we come to a place where we have to figure out what Bitcoin is gonna do. Bitcoin is already at the bottom, so I don't think there might be more. We are waiting for 4-hour close in 48 minutes. The momentum up here is rising a little bit up here. It's getting exhausted. Let's look at our bigger time frames over here, daily. So this part over here is the more support part still. That's the trend. Did we break the RSI trend over here? We are very close to that. The momentum up here is also losing momentum. Where is the channel over here? We gotta find the channel. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Let's go at small time frames up here. Maybe over here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's nice. I also started a new account 160. I'm on my second trade for. How do you do that, man? What's the trick? How do you go from 160 to 430 in 2 trades? I'm a lucky boy. Dude, I wish I could do that, man, but I don't have the balls to hodl 70% down or 70% up, like 10%. I'll take profits. So there is that. I still believe that this move up here can actually go a little bit lower. See up here. Let me see the volume up here. There was a good, nice volume up here. I think we need a spring up here and towards the upside. Might be. So I think right now in this channel up here, this part over here is very important. And it goes over here somewhere like this, give or take. This 15 minutes time frame, 10 minutes time frame, give or take, right? It's all at bottom. Okay, so I think everything is getting ready, so we can just start looking at coins. What are we gonna do? Because everything, we figure out Bitcoin, it might be at the bottom somewhere. So let's look at something on the 4-hourly that might interest us. This actually doesn't look that good. Maybe it looks good. Did it break down? Yeah, it is breaking down. Very nice. Up here, this. Move anchor. Let's go back to 4-hourly. Look at the Ezrot pumping, man. Chili's consolidating down here big time. We want to also long Chili's, but we are a little bit unsure about that. Over here, still haven't pumped. It's just consolidating down here at the bottom. Major capitulation move over here on Chili's. 1 doji, 2 doji. 3rd doji, 4-hourly time frame up here, consolidating between highs and lows. So we got these highs over here at the top, and we got these lows over here at the bottom. Right now it's very, very close to the lows. On this move down here, there was not a lot of. How much this move is down? Like 2%. Territory beyond the level I told you before. 65.8 short. Nice, very nice. You do you, I'll do me. You know how this goes. Check it out, guys. Check it out. I don't know if you know, but we have merch. My wife bought this one for me, though. Nah. These constellation patterns, sideways constellation patterns, short, long, short highs, long, short supports, short highs, long lows, inverse and short Pepe 1 hour. Thanks, man. I'll check it out. Pepe is on Bybit, so we're definitely gonna check it out. Pepe is also volatile, so we're gonna check it out. I don't know about that, man. It kind of looks sketchy over here. Maybe if it does pull back over here, maybe it creates inward head and shoulders pattern. Maybe. Maybe, baby. It looks to me more, this looks like a channel, but it looks more like some kind of, it goes over here. It looks more like some kind of expanding musical instrument downwards, which is very, very high probability for actually this to go towards upside. This on 4 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame got a better inverse head and shoulders pattern than 1 hourly though. 1 hourly up here, I don't know about that. 4 hourly maybe, but that does look nice. Maybe we do Pepe. Maybe we do Pepe, but Pepe doesn't have. It's below the moving averages up here. 3. It already went up. Pull back. 3 day, 2 day time frame. Wow, 2 day has this very nice doji up here. It's already starting going a little bit towards upside. 1 day, like look at this doji over here. If this isn't the most beautiful doji you've seen with a big long wick, oh man, that's nice. So how do we do this? If you're gonna do Pepe, how are we gonna do this? Let me look at a little bit indicators down here on the bottom side. Let's just see up here. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Like it's slowly going down while momentum is curving towards the upside. Now the question is, did RSI already break over here? I mean, it just might be breaking. Like if we take all of this, it's breaking. If you take like this over here, it's already broken. It goes maybe somewhere over here. It is very, very close. So I don't know if we can catch these, you know, wicks on the downside, but there is very well established support level over here. Right now sitting on that support level. This on the daily time frame, right? On the 4 hourly, we also got a doji over here. How much downside over here is that? 1% downside. It's pretty high as well. You see this, but this on 1 hourly. So maybe it is a head and shoulders pattern. But can we wait for a pullback over here? Can we do that? Can we get a pullback? Do you think that? Do you think that's probable? Do you think that's probable to get a pullback over here? Interesting. Let's see over here. Go something like this over here, this part over here, right? And a little Pepe long. And I think over here there might be a pullback. So I'm a little bit unsure whether we're gonna enter just right now or just wait a little bit. Because even though it does look nice over here, it might just be, you know, exploding up here towards upside. It is holding above this 10 moving average without pumping. So it had 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I think we're gonna wait a little bit more pullback on the 1 hourly, because we still have to wait for 40 minutes until the 4 hourly time frame. Today is all red folder day on Forex Factory. Will it affect the crypto? I have absolutely no clue what you said there. I don't think it's gonna affect crypto. You know, but that's me. I don't know. I don't know about you. I don't know about you. Okay, we'll keep it in mind though. Which other coin did we say that? Which other coin did we look at? I gotta go back to remember. Chili's, yeah, Chile is up here at the bottoms. It just went a little bit too much sideways. We're also looking at CFX, right? CFX, but yeah, CFX is also just doing this, you know, move down. CF is also just doing this move towards the downside over here. XRP looking okay. XRP 0.8% right now. Daily time frame up here. I don't want to touch XRP. I don't see anything, you know, special on XRP. Let's go back to 4-hour time frame. Check out some coins. Polkadot. It's splitting down. Do we have anything that's very obvious? Ooh. Everything is sitting at this. Ethereum Classic. Look at this stump over here. The trend is still not broken, but you know. Okay, let's do it with the channel. It goes a little bit more like this over here. Let's pick up everything. I think something like this. Because the midlines are nice, the tops are nice. These are just holding this midline up here, extension towards downside. Capitulation move over here. This move towards upside broke already down. Interesting. Very close. Let's move on. Can we get some red lines? Can we get some red lines, please? KDA says red. It's already pulling back. Very nice. Okay, let's look at KDA on daily. I think everything is gonna go, guys. Everything is gonna go. The question is when. Shown here already kind of broke. I think it needs to jump down over here and then go. Fake it out. How is Bitcoin doing, by the way? Bitcoin over here on the chart up here. Let's go look at the 4-hourly time frame. 4-hourly actually still standing where it was. We're gonna still wait for the 4-hourly close before we enter a trade. At least 20 minutes before, something like that. KDA might be a move because it already broke the channel on the RSI. The momentum is building up here on the daily, on the 1-hourly time frame. List a new coin looking juicy. There's a coin called Lista. It's not on Bybit. It is actually, no, it's not on Bybit. I can't do coins that are not on Bybit, man. Only Bybit coins. You see here? Bybit. Use the link in the description. Get 20% fees off. Wow. Solana. Why not revenge trade on Solana, huh? Why not do that? This is a big dump over here. We just picked up this move over here, and right now it's still going down up here again. This double button failed. Solana looks nasty. The nastier it looks, the better it is, right? The nastier stuff looks, when it looks really bad, that's when you're gonna go long, right? We want nasty stuff. We want stuff that looks like, I'm not touching that, man. That's bad. Ooh, right? We want to buy that. Why? Because nobody else buying that. It also broke the trend over here, man. Regardless how you draw this up here, there's a very well established trend over here. It right now broke the trend, but the momentum over here during this constellation has been going down. But there is no decrease this 2-day time frame. There is slight decrease up here in momentum. I don't know. The more, I mean, when you have red candles, you can go long, right? You can find something for a long because, you know, eventually, you know, you get up some kind of pump, at least to the averages or something like that, right? You cannot go long on something that goes long. Maybe you can buy the pullback and go long and stuff like that, right? On big time frames. But when you have red candles, nice, 8 hourly up here, closing in 31 minutes without pump. So entirely is moved down over here. Daily is right now sitting at 33. I mean, these very, very low levels. Weekly, how's about weekly time frame over here? Weekly did break the trend though. But we are just trying to scalp it, right? Don't date it, scalp it. 0.8. BTC is going up. 0.10% up. Not much, just a little bit. See some movement over here. Why is it going up though? Why is Bitcoin going up? What happened to my arrow? Wait guys, wait. Where is my pause stuff? Just a second, I just need to, you know, reset this. Why are you looking at 3 minutes time frame, man? Dodge to 420. Nah, not gonna happen. There we go. Have to touch 50, 65, 8. Sell looks good for a bounce 25 to resistance. 5% is high, man. So let's just look at this over here. There's the here are the highs, here are the lows. Right now pulling back into those lows. KDA USDT Bybit. I don't know. KDA looks good to me. How about you guys? You like KDA? I like KDA. But I think KDA might drop down a little bit. So this move over here, this last move. Do you have anything for hourly? The support over here that broke. Major support broke. For hourly all the way down there. So weak all the way down there. I don't think that. %. So this is capitulation over here. Did it break the trend over here? Oh, so this goes like this. There is channel over here. It's not out of the channel. So there was move down, capitulation right back inside, tried to break the top, failed over here, but only one fail. I tell you, don't overthink, just find something with overextend EMAs. Gort! Not doing that. Gort, you are in the Telegram chat, right? You have all the possibilities to show me your trades every single day. Show me how you grow your account. I cannot believe people that, tell me, do this, do that. Like, I'm not saying that you don't know what you're doing. Like, you're probably making money. I don't know. But I don't know, so I'm not taking advice from people. 24 more minutes. The Bitcoin pump got recovered because you're looking at 5-minute time frame. That was this pump over here. Nothing major happened. I think this Bitcoin move needs to go a little bit more down. And if it does that, first of all, we gotta recover the color. If it does this move towards the downside, then KDA might actually do another move down over here. And then we long that towards the upside. Sounds like a plan, guys. I think we got a plan. We just need to wait another 23 minutes for the 4-hourly close. And once we get the 4-hourly close, I mainly trade Forex and stocks TLA. Good. How do you like NEO? If you were to trade NEO, would you buy NEO right now or would you wait? That's the question. When do you buy NEO? Usually on weekly. Then you're just swing trading if you're buying on weekly. We're investing. We are right now scalping. I mean, anything below, you know, 2 days is scalp. The chart is more down. What does it mean more down? Like a NEO, would you buy it or not? Like, it's a simple question. Look at a NEO chart. Tell me what you see. Going lower. How low? I think it's low enough though. I don't know about you, but I like it. The question is just when. Maybe over here at 4.2. I think it's already good. Like, I think it's already looking very, very good. But I don't know. The problem is Tesla. You know, you never know about Tesla, right? And Tesla, let's see Tesla over here. Tesla is still pulling down, major support level down here. Time frame, it looks okay. When it comes to the stock market, like, you gotta watch it on the monthly time frames, because everything goes so slow. $251. No, PYT. Where is the Boyd Gaming? Eh? There we go. BYD looks good though. I mean, technically it doesn't look good. This, you know, move up here, it goes over here, kicks out the highs over here, and then pulls back, right? It can do that, but maybe it's, you know, it doesn't look like a, you know, like a cup and handle pattern over here. It doesn't do that. It is just too strong a chart. Let's go a little bit higher time frames over here, 3 months. That looks nice. Like BYD looks ready. If Tesla is ready, then NEO is ready as well, right? If Tesla is ready, NEO is not. Over here it's holding the support level. Like, there has been so much, you know, talk shit about Tesla, that I just think it might be coming to the support. This major level of support, overextension, retest over here, consolidation up here, and then go towards the upside of here. Maybe. Let's go 3 months over here. Let's go 6 months. Bullish engulfing, right back down again. I don't know how low. Yeah, like, Tesla is a good company. I don't think it's gonna fail, right? So the question, the thing that we gotta know, you know, will Tesla fail? And Tesla is not failing, right? It's a good company. They are making money. They're building stronger. You know, stuff is coming out. The bullish, I mean, there has been a lot of, you know, talk about, you know, crap about Tesla and stuff like that, right? But that's good, right? Over here it's hitting this midline over here. If you look at this channel over here, there's some kind of midline over here. This is right now consolidating over here, and as soon as this, whatever this pattern over here is, breaks towards upside, it goes, right? So I think it might be coming to some kind of bottom over here. So if you look at NEO as well, we just showed you BYD. BYD, right? It's also looking okay-ish. Over here, getting above the 10-20 moving average. Up here, what is major level of support or resistance over here? There is some resistance over here where we are right now. Let's go 3 month time frame over here. 3 month time frame, yeah, it's give or take up here. Right now it's hitting at the resistance level. over here, these highs. But it does look like it's kind of breaking. Maybe yes, maybe no. It's at resistance level right now, so you're a good tip by T-Doc. We are bullish also full moon today. Yeah, full moon today. I missed Tesla buying at 70. I have a video when Tesla was down here, and I was telling people how good it is. I don't know what I did with it. Maybe I put on private. Let me check it over here. January 24, 2019. Over here, I was telling people how I made a video. It says that it's set at private. I can show you the video. Thank you for it. See, Tesla is now a good time to buy Tesla stock. This was 5 years ago, and if you remember, there was so much FUD about Tesla at that point. You know, everybody was talking about how, you know, crap Tesla is. They weren't making money. You know, he was smoking pot on Joe Rogan's show. And I was telling people this is like the best thing ever, right? So I was thinking, what am I going to call the investment doing? So see over here, I was looking at, you know, there was so many articles, you know, why it's bad, you know, 420 smoking pot. Model 3 was going Model E for obviously by sex, you know, like they were making fun of him, right? And you can see up here, Tesla net profit and loss. They just started making, you know, money a little bit over here, or about to make. And we are looking at this, and I was like, guys, they're trying to get you to sell your Tesla so they can pump it. This was right before it actually pumped, right over here. Because it was so good, and you know what happened. It went a little bit more down, and it did, you know, 10x or whatever, right? 7x, 8x. TLA gene editing stocks are next big thing. Yeah, I know gene editing is big, but you know, there is so much problems with gene editing that. Didn't you show me this once before? Didn't you show me this once before? I don't know. There we go. It's pulling down. Great. 4 hourly pulling down. There we go. There we go. We're getting ready, guys. We gotta focus. We gotta focus. We got a 5 minutes. No, sorry. 4 hourly closing in 14 minutes. So let's wait a little bit. 1 hourly closing in 15 minutes. I think we're gonna wait a little bit, guys. I think we're gonna wait a little bit. And while we wait, we're gonna take 5-minute break. And we're gonna check it out. Bitcoin is also pulling back up here, as you can see. So we're waiting, just waiting. The bluebird chart near double since I recommend now has back down. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes left, guys. No. Yeah, 10 minutes left. This is capitulation move on 1 minute time frame. 1 hourly, 4 hourly. Still waiting for the 4 hourly close. Downside momentum 7%. Let's look at it. Let's get ready. KDA. Perpetual. Still got 1 hour left. Bitcoin down. Five-minute chart. Confirm. Now we wait. It just dumped down 2% or something like that in minutes. 5-minute chart. They actually didn't. Let me see, but we are looking at... Why am I looking at Bitcoin? What? Oh my god, I was looking at Bitcoin, guys. I was looking at Bitcoin. I was literally looking at Bitcoin chart while I entered the KDA chart. I thought I was looking at KDA chart. I literally thought I was looking at KDA chart. Oh my god. I was looking at the wrong chart. I swear to you guys, I was looking at the wrong chart. Look here, I was looking at Bitcoin chart, goddammit. I was looking at Bitcoin chart. $58.06. Very good. I was looking at Bitcoin chart, man. I was looking at Bitcoin chart. Maybe we can leave, but I don't know, man. It's you know, 5-second chart, 1-minute chart up here. We still got 6 minutes. We still got 6 minutes until the close. I'm a little bit worried. I might exit the position because we are up 5% right now. I will exit position if we go back to the stop loss. Classic. Oh my god. Don't be weak. It's not about being weak, it's about doing the right thing, man. What is Bitcoin doing? Don't wait to buy Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin and wait. One minute to 4 hourly close. 1 minute to 4 hourly close. There we go, we got a 4 hourly close. We got a pivot point on the downside. . I'm just looking a little bit at Bitcoin over here up, what it's doing. I think we need to get above this line over here. KDI is not in Binance. I don't know if KDI is in Binance or not, but it is on Bybit though. So, you know, we only care about whether it's on Bybit or Binance or where it is. We only care about, when we're trading, we only care about stuff that's on Bybit. By the way, guys, if you see that, you know, stuff that's still on the screen, you know, 5-minute pause break, you gotta tell me because I forget sometimes about that. Failed to get a higher high over here. Might do another move down now. Wow, this bad. When stuff doesn't immediately pump, I'm always like, oh man, this is bad. The worst part is Farley. Bitcoin's moving a little bit up, but not much. Everything is red in crypto bubbles. That's good for us. Everything being red is good for us. We want red, right? We want red when we are long. We want green when we are shorting. When everything is green and everybody is bullish, we want to short. When everything is red and everybody is bearish, we want to long. It's very simple. Just consolidating over here. There is some kind of triangle going on. It's just consolidating here at sideways. Needs to break these highs up here. These stops up here. Bitcoin failing. Dominance 14. Buy the blood. Yeah, we buy the blood. When people are afraid to buy, we buy. When people are, you know, want to buy, we sell. Wow, failed that move. Explode and push back right down. Bots. Bots are keeping us price down, guys. Bots are keeping the price down. Full moon pump incoming. Yeah, but I need that full moon pump thing coming now. Right now. I don't need it, you know, later today. I need the full moon pump to come now. Blood, the vampire. Can we have small time frames over here? See how these charts look very, very weird? That's because this is 1 5-second time frame and there is not continuous trading on the charts. I need you to go up. We already have one 5-minute candle up here. Failed to break the resistance up here. Look at this. Look at these resistance levels over here at the top. Wait for it. There seems to be no recovery. Yeah, still 6 minutes left though. It's a bear flag which is coming through. Bear flag on what? Where? Time frame. Nice. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. It needs to get above these levels over here though. So this consolidation pattern that's happening right now over here on the bottom side needs to break these levels over here. So there is a box over here that needs to be broken, give or take. It's back inside this, consolidation channel up here after being 2 down. But Bitcoin is not breaking up though. And we need this thing to move towards the upside over here. Getting rejected again. How many times are you gonna get rejected, man? Looks like a double bottom on 1 minute time frame, but it held the support over here on the 5-minute time frame. Looking to create this doji right now. The 5-minute time frame might actually pull back. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Bitcoin getting rejected a little bit. Might go down again. Best case scenario, this candle closes above. Nah, Bitcoin is going. Bitcoin is trying to get above the box. If it gets you see this drop down over here, and then it creates this consolidation pattern on the bottom side, and then you go break this towards the upside, you're good, right? But needs to break the box towards the upside. I don't know if you're good, but it's better than where we started. So There we go. Right now it's gonna test this top line over here again, and we need to break top line. So over here, extend towards downside, consolidate, it broke down, fake out, right back inside the channel. And right now it's very important to break this channel towards the upside, because if it fails and goes back down again, it might actually dump a lot more. So you see here, it's trying to break it towards the upside, which is very good. So far, so good. Also, these highs up here. Pump that corn. So I think it broke it. I think so. Bitcoin also breaking the blue box towards upside. 4 hourly going towards upside. Nice. Very nice. Blue box is breaking the small time frames, 1 minute time frame. Technically not just yet. See, still haven't broken the block box towards upside. And we just barely managed to get out of this up here. We still don't have any kind of big pumps over here. Bitcoin dominance is still down minus 0.13%. Even though Bitcoin is down, that means that altcoins are down less, which is actually good. Ethereum is down, Bitcoin is down 0.85, Ethereum is down 0.78. So Ethereum is doing better. Bitcoin still inside the box, just, you know, waiting. This candle over here on 1 minute time frame is okay. 5 minute closing in 2 minutes. There we go. KDI pulling down while Bitcoin is pulling up. That's not good. Did break above the resistance levels. You get a high on the chart, which is good. I'm so happy for you, even if it still closes your entry. I feel this will be a good one. I don't know, man. I don't know. It is consolidating a little bit too much. I was expecting V-shaped recovery. See, failing to break above the blue box up here, which is not actually good. Right back inside this channel over here. Five-minute time frame up here. Do we have a high on 5-minute time frame? No, we just hit the 10 moving average up here. Why is this going down while Bitcoin is going up? I don't get it. It's a bearish retest. Oh, this is bad. Maybe it creates some kind of doji over here on the bottom side. 18 seconds left, Bitcoin. Oh, this 1 minute time frame. Eight seconds left. Well, my entry is definitely a support right now, so then there's that. Some kind of doji over here. Bitcoin is trying again. Maybe. Let's wait. Broke support and usually it's raised to the point before going lower. Super common. 15 minutes up here on Bitcoin. It's still inside the blue box. It's failing to break up here above the blue box over here. So I don't know. I think our entry was okay, but needs to bounce. It's still inside this, it's still channeling inside over here, inside this channel. Come on, man. At least on 1 minute, break it on 1 minute, and I'm gonna be happy. Not yet. $15 some kind of doji over here in the middle. But no. Get out while you can, TLA. But you just said it's a bearish retest. Oh, okay, bearish retest. Okay, not bullish, bearish. So you think it's gonna go down? Get out while you can. Don't try to, you know, make me, you know, have money. Exactly. It's a bearish retest. We wait. 1 hourly. 4 hourly. One hour. Where is our profit target, just so we know? Wow, it's actually really, really close. This is actually very volatile. We should not have actually traded this. This is extremely volatile. I mean, this is very, very volatile. I don't think we should have traded this. Remind me next time to take something less volatile. Okay? Because this right now is very, very volatile. I mean, if it goes up, we gain a lot of money, but when Lambo Moon, I don't know. I don't know. Bitcoin is back in the blue box. It goes in and out of the blue box up here. Try to break up here, failed at, still inside blue box over here. The blue box is important, guys. The blue box is important. And this is too volatile. So if you go below down here, like over here, we had like a loss of 50%. Sorry, not 5%, something like that. 3-4% over here. Like it doesn't have to move much. That's the problem, right? And I don't like volatile coins. I like slow moves. If I could wait for a 2% move in, you know, over 3 hours, I would be a lot happier than you know, gaining 2% move in, you know, 30 minutes. Don't get me wrong, I like mine, but I don't like volatility. Like volatility scares me, especially when it goes down fast and you know it's very volatile. Like it's too fast. Bitcoin is better. Yeah, maybe you should just trade Bitcoin. You know, there is liquidity in the order books. You know, it moves slowly. It still goes up and down 1%. Maybe not the Ethereum, but maybe some of these big coins, like, you know, 50 billion market cap coins, stuff like that, right? So over here right now, I think we gotta move this line over here at the top, because this is the new resistance over here that needs to be broken. 50 moving average over here as well. It did this double bottom up here, retested up here our entry. Let's just bounce 3 minutes again, lol. We are waiting for Bitcoin to break up over here. It's trying to break the blue box towards upside, but it's still quite not there. But the plan was okay. Wait for the 4-hourly close and then long the stuff. And we look at 5-minute time frame up here. We are waiting for this move to go down. This move went down, like everything. You know, we are following the plan. The only thing that we didn't follow is we are watching the Bitcoin chart when we are doing the entry on the KDA. But you know, it did play out, so you know, there is that. Right now sitting at the resistance level over here on 1-minute time frame up here. Let's see, 5-minute time frame up here, 10 moving average over here. Maybe it's gonna try to break. There is a good chance to go all the way to 20 up here and take profits. Bearish retest again. How many bearish retests are you gonna have, man? It's a good one to trade, not so volatile as other alts and ETF coming up. Yeah, so for longs, maybe Ethereum. But the problem is that, you know, you don't always have a nice setup. So, you know, when you're looking at 100 coins, there's always some setup somewhere. Unfortunately, it could be very volatile coin. It could be very low liquidity coin. You know, when it comes to just, you know, just picking 1 or 2 coins you're gonna trade, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some stuff like that, and then you have to wait for the special, you know, setups that looks good. I mean, we watched like, you know, 20 charts before we took KDA. 10 charts, 10-20 charts. And then we took KDA because, you know, these other charts weren't looking as... algo is broken up here above, which is actually very nice. But you see, I mean, these are volatile coins, like this 1.7%. It moves a little bit too fast for my liking. Like, I like slow coins. Bitcoin still not out of here, man. Look here on the 1-minute time frame. See the blue box? Maybe it's some kind of, you know, some kind of inverse head and shoulder pattern on 5-minute time frame. Maybe it's trying to break up higher. I tried 2 times to break up above the box, failed that over here, failed that over here, and right now it's trying again. But we need KDI to do the same. Now it's rising wedge. I don't know what chart you're looking at, man. Again, there is a support level over here. Okay, let's see if this this works out. There we go. Bitcoin is outside the blue box, which is actually nice. So slow movements towards the upside over here. It's still not breaking. The resistance is all the way up there at you know, 1 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame is all the way up down here. See how this looks on 5-minute time frame. It can move more. Five-minute closing in 1. We humans have a problem with time, maybe because we know it is finite. That's well said. Maybe because we know it's, yeah, we only get a certain amount of time. Nice! You go, boy! We believe in you, man. You go! Now you go, girl! KDA is a girl. You know that song from League of Legends? KDA group. You go, girl! You pump that green candles. Not like that. Not like that. Okay, at least we closed above that. Let's see 5-minute time frame over here. 5-minute also closed up here above, you know, higher high. Right now pulling back a little bit. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take 5-minute break because I need no stop loss. You know what? I'm gonna put stop loss just in case because I don't want to lose this, and I don't know if it's gonna dump down like crazy. So before we take the, you know, 0.580606 confirm. There we go. So we got a stop loss at our entry point, and if it dumps down while I'm away, then you know. Tila, have you been doing research on the next state? Yeah, we already know the next state. Oh no. Triple bottom. Why don't I know it then? I'll tell you after the trade is done, okay, man? That problem here, we want to know everything. That curiosity will not evolve. So this trend up here is breaking down, which is actually bad. Bitcoin also breaking down. But we are still way above our stop loss. We got a stop loss in, so you know we can relax a little bit. It's fine. You know, our stop loss is good. That's why the rover Mars has its name. I don't know how they gave the rover the name up here. There's some kind of line over here, some kind of trend. There we go. We got a trend, guys. We got a trend. Bitcoin also bouncing a little bit over here on the upside. You know what, guys? I was thinking a little bit. If we get this target, I will clean my house because my wife has been nagging me about, you know, but it's my day to clean, so there's that. If we get 20%, I will mow the lawn. Okay, because I haven't done it in, you know, pretty while, so you know it needs to be done. And if we get 30%, if you get 30% win, I will wash my wife's car. Okay? There we go. We got targets. Hey, Danny, how you doing, man? How you doing? If you get 50, you'll clean my... First, we need to win. Yeah, but over here, if you get... I will play Minecraft all day long. If you get stopped out and we lose the fees, I'll play Minecraft long because I'll feel so bad. So, you know, those are the targets, guys. Tell your wife to buy 10,000 KD on spot. Yeah, that would be something, eh? If she sees this, she'll definitely buy, man. This looks like a bear flag though, right? And then it goes down. But first, there is a very good chance up here. But Bitcoin is doing this, you know, did this triple bottom, went up a little bit, goes down up here a little bit more, and goes up here again. Bitcoin is also doing something similar, I think. Okay, warm up because the day will be tough. Bitcoin minus 0.98. Dominance is down minus 0.23. Dominance down. Like if you look at dominance over here, like look at this curvature, man. If this isn't bearish to you, I don't know what is, man. This on the monthly time frame as well. I was looking at this yesterday and posting in the Telegram chat, and I was like, guys, look at the curve. Look at that curve, man. Look at that girl's curves. Daily. See, it's pushing down. Bitcoin breaking down. What's... Oh, man. All the way down, all the way down. 1 hourly time frame. 25 minutes left. 30 minutes already closed. 15 minutes pushing back down. 10 minutes, 5 minutes up here, pulling back down here for another tap. Next time is one big candle, so you have time to make a nice dinner too. How much will you lose, TLA? I will lose just fees. If we go over here, we just lose fees, and our fees are like you know, right now like $6. So you know, there is that. We lose $6. Hopefully we still above $300 if we lose the bucks. So if you look over here, we are right now 322. But if it goes down there, we lose $6. And we are already at 306. So KDI long 10x 306. So if you lose $6, we land at you know, 300. So hopefully we don't lose more than that. Bro, it might be time to learn new strategy. What kind of strategy? You can suggest me a strategy. I'm thinking of some crumbed fried cheese with fries and tartar sauce. I'm thinking of schnitzel, Wiener schnitzel, and some fries, and some Coke on the side, and some lime on top of the Wiener schnitzel. The eyeball strategy. The 8-ball. Yeah, 8-ball strategy. We can do 8-ball strategy. I mean, huh? It doesn't work. OMG. It totally failed. Pump it. Oh man, tartar sauce. Just get a picture. I don't know what tartar sauce is, but I'm looking at KDA and it's on the support. And Bitcoin is coming down to the support. Technically it's breaking the support. Bitcoin's down 1.14%. 1 hourly. 1 hourly closing in 22 minutes. We gotta survive next 22 minutes because it just might be making this, you know, doji here at the bottom. Maybe. I mean, that's the hopium. Do we have any kind of divergences up here? Yeah, there is divergence on the chart and stuff like that, right? This option over here broke, so this one up here broke down. Time it does this and then continues towards the upside. So we're gonna wait and see. Just to confirm, 227 to 306 in 10 days so far. Yeah, that's correct. Here are all the trades. How can you not know what tartar sauce is? I'm not big when it comes to food. My wife probably knows what tartar sauce is, but you know, I don't. I guess it's gonna be Minecraft all day long, guys. I guess it's gonna be Minecraft all day long. Yeah, I want to know his strategy as well. I want to make money. I'm serious. Like, if you have a nice strategy where I can make, you know, a lot of money, I'm down with that. It might be going down to pick up the liquidity down here below my. These Finnish people only eat herring. Yeah, a lot of fish, a lot of fish. Come on, Bitcoin, please change the trend before we get liquidated. Although pickled herring are good. I don't think I've tried that. I gotta go to eat. Have a nice meal, man. Bitcoin is not bouncing. Trend broke. We need recovery and fast, because if it dumps down just a little bit more, we're done. We'll talk about a date next time. Yeah, sure, man. But I can tell you right now, it's in October, September. It's not exact date, it's time frame. So we are looking at time frame. October, September, November. And that's gonna be the top for Bitcoin and crypto market. We got a doji on 1 minute time frame. 5 minute closing in 5 minutes. There was a big dump. We still not liquidated. One hourly closing in 17 minutes, and we've got nothing right now. Slowly pushing down to our entry. Bitcoin is not recovering that well. There is nice doji up here on 1 minute time frame. Maybe it's gonna recover. Still haven't broken the trend over here, so we need the trend to break. There is nice recovery up here. KDA also recovering a little bit. Going for the 3 test on the channel. Bitcoin might just have done double bottom up here if you look at it on bigger time frames, on 5 minute time frames. This one and this one, right? Needs to get above 5 minute time frame up here above 64.3. Small time frame trend broken. This create a new trend over here. Clear the small time frames up here. There we go, on the dollar, hitting that. We are also retesting that 20 moving average on the channel as well. There we go. I think we are getting back inside the channel, but Bitcoin is not breaking up. Slow moves. If this actually managed to break inside channel, this is actually good because it can actually retest the top of the channel again. Oh man, red candle. Bitcoin, maybe. Bitcoin looks bullish. That's good. There is hope. And this entire part up here, if you want to have a big pump on Cadena, this entire part up here must break. So this is capitulation move up here, slowly climbing, breaking down, and goes up like over here. Because right now, you see 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. This is third time touch towards us. I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. When looking at big time frames, I'm bullish. Still haven't broken towards upside, so but we have such a small move towards upside. This is 1, this is 2. If it does 3 times and goes up, like we are out, man. We're gonna get wrecked. Bitcoin got rejected over here. It looked like it wanted to break, but it got rejected a little bit. And as soon as Bitcoin gets rejected, everything else got rejected as well. But Ethereum is doing well. Ethereum is holding nicely. Bitcoin dominance still pulling towards downside. And let's see 1 hourly over here. There was this capitulation move up down here below these levels over here. If you go up as expected, don't forget 65.8. I don't think we will wait to 65.8. I mean, 65.8 is all the way up there. We're not gonna keep our trade open that long, but I don't think we, you know, I'm a little bit unsure. I'm bullish, but I'm a little bit unsure whether we're gonna get hit on the, you know, on our stop loss or not. See, retested the channel and right now bouncing back below it. Hit the likes button, guys. And we get a public Telegram. Join our Telegram channel and you can post your charts in there. I actually want to mow the lawn, so I would like, you know, 0.2 or 2%, you know, profit, because I want to mow my lawn today. It's nice weather here in Norway. Bitcoin is pulling back loads. I mean, it is close, but it can get us out. That's the problem. It's good ratio. I think the issue is the assets. They're unreliable, especially. The shit. They're volatile. Like, this is very, very volatile. So I cannot let it go below my entry, because if I do, then we might lose, you know, 10%, something like that. Like, don't want to go and try to recover from that. We hit our stop loss. We are out, right? It already looks like we're gonna do it, but you know, at least it's gonna be $6 loss. It's fine, you know. We got money for the day tomorrow, so that's good. So no worries. It just takes a little bit more time, right? No worries. We got a stop loss in place. We don't have to watch this chart anymore. We can just watch it over here. If Bitcoin bounces up here again, we might get a nice bounce. Good morning, all. It should be an active day. It is an active day. Focus on big caps. Yeah, I was thinking that, but the problem is not to be, you know, that much volatility. I mean, volatility is a little bit problem. I like it. But the problem with the big caps is that you don't always have a very nice setup. Like, you can have nice setups on altcoins that are a lot better than, you know, big caps. So, you know, we take whatever there is a good trade to be taken. And, you know, we handle the volatility. And there we go. We are out. And the P&L, $8. Doesn't matter. It was very likely. in retrospect. Right now, let's see over here. Start 306, long 10x KDI. Right now 298. We lost -$8. -5, -1, -8. You know, doesn't matter, guys. Day 11 tomorrow, and we'll see how we do then. And we are not gonna try to revenge trade because we don't do that. Number one, we don't revenge trade. If our trade doesn't work out, we don't trade. But yeah, but you know, right now it's triple bottom. It might actually go up from over here. It might be a good trade now. We are too emotionally invested in the chart, and we just need to wait out. Yeah, but you know, it looks so good, man. 1, 2, triple bottom. It can go up like you will make. No. We lost the trade. We did what we wanted to do, and even if it goes up from right now, it really doesn't matter because you know our trade is lost, and we need to learn to be okay with not taking every single trade, right? We need to learn that it is okay if you lose money. Go and take a rest. I will still, you know, clean the house and mow the lawn. I don't know if I'm gonna wash the car though. I don't know if I'm gonna wash. I have $40 on the red, and we'll hold it. I mean, it can go down as well, right? But yeah, it is very volatile. It moves just too fast. It just moves way too fast. So we gotta be a little bit careful with this one. On the other hand, we're done for today. We're done for today, and you know, there will be, you know, day tomorrow, and we'll try to do a better trade. Unfortunately, it didn't play out. But I am very strongly bullish, though, guys. I'm very strongly bullish, regardless. Over here, see, it went down and picked up that liquidity down there. Bitcoin up to another 60%. Ethereum Bitcoin chart is up 0.5. Dominance is still down. Like, this is scam dump. Like, you know, it can gonna, like, every dump is a scam dump in my book. Anyways, guys, we lost $8 today. We lost $1 yesterday. You know, that's life. But we don't want to hodl it and, you know, hope that you know, something's gonna recover. See, it's still pushing down. I don't really care. I don't care whether it goes down, whether it goes up. We need to be okay with whatever we have. And you know, we did the trade, didn't work out. We're gonna try back tomorrow. It says condition entry, stop loss, and take profits. Entry, stop loss, and take profits. Need better entries. I think it was good entry. Like, oh, like, look where we entered, man. Let's go to 1 second chart. Can we have 1 second chart? I don't know where. Maybe somewhere over here. $58.06. 58. Over there. That's the entry. That's the entry. Let's go to 1 minute chart over here. I mean, it was fine. Like, we just got wicked out a couple of times up here. This is third time up here. Third is the charm, maybe. I don't know. But you know, the entry was okay. The problem is that it didn't do the move. And we just took the first entry. We should probably wait like on 5 minute time frame or 50 minute time frame to get some kind of pattern over here. Like, this would be a lot better, right? Maybe because it got this double bottom over here. If you go over here to 50 minute time frame, then you got some kind of divergence down here at the bottom. You're moving, you know, it can take a little time. Maybe you're just a little bit early. We are too eager to trade and enter position, and you know, maybe we're just a little bit early. It can happen. Lesson learned. What was your condition for a trade? Red candle. Nice try. Maybe I will lose all the gains on the first trade. It happens. I'm telling you guys, don't copy trade me. You can see here what happens. You see here what happens, right? So there's a good chance you lose all your money. I do me, you do you. I do my money, you do your money. I do my trades, you do your trades. And you know, this is for entertainment only. The most important thing about the trading challenge is the entertainment. Hit the like button, guys. Join our Telegram channel. You know, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to get, you know, more notifications every single time. When will we bounce, man? Yeah, that's the big question. I was expecting bounce. The bounce didn't happen. We got stopped out. Our theory failed, and right now it's moving down. But it is important to know when to exit the trade. And after being up a little bit, you know, this can still bounce towards the upside. But you know, when it start going towards downside over here, we gotta exit. That is that. Guys, thanks for watching. Come back maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. We'll do another stream, and we'll see how that plays out. Take care, guys. Thank you for stopping by. It's been fun, but you know, right now I gotta go and you know, clean the house, mow the lawn, and wash the car. I'll see you now, guys. Bye bye.